What's up guys, Shane Starnes here, and I've got a really exciting announcement. Samsung has just opened up reservations for their new smartphone launching on February 1st, give or take. So between January 10th and February 1st, you can reserve to pre-order the next Galaxy phone. If you use my affiliate link in the description, you get an additional $50 Samsung credit when you purchase one device, or $100 Samsung credit when you purchase two devices. So that's an additional $50 Samsung credit whenever you purchase either the phone or the new Galaxy Book, or a $100 Samsung credit if you purchase both the phone and the Galaxy Book. You can use that credit towards any purchase on the site. So if you want a new set of headphones or a new case, you can use your credit towards those accessory purchases. While you're not making a commitment to buy here, when you reserve your phone, you're just securing your spot in line for the pre-order. That means whenever the pre-orders go live, Samsung will contact you, and then you will have that spot in line up front. That way you don't have to worry about your delivery dates being pushed back. There are other benefits to ordering from Samsung.com. Samsung will give an enhanced trade-in value whenever you trade in towards your new phone. So like last year when I traded in my Galaxy S21 Ultra, they gave me that enhanced $700 trade-in credit towards my S22 Ultra. Now we don't know the trade-in values for the S23 Ultra just yet, but you can rest assured they're gonna be enhanced over other places where you could buy the phone. Sometimes there are other benefits like free storage upgrades. Last year they offered a free storage upgrade on the S22 Ultra, so you could go from like 128 gig to 256 gig without having to pay that upgrade. Another really neat thing that Samsung started doing whenever you buy from them directly is they'll actually give you enhanced trade-in values for phones even when they have cracked screens. So you're definitely gonna get the best trade-in value when you order from Samsung.com. They also have the Samsung offer program, so you get additional discounts if you're like a student or military or one of many other categories. They also offer 0% APR, no down payment financing, and Samsung Care Plus. The new Samsung Galaxy, which will be announced at Unpacked here in the next few weeks, has a ton of awesome new features, so you definitely want to get your name on the list and reserve your pre-order now. The easiest way to do it is to head to the link in the description. That is my affiliate link, so I do get a little bit of credit whenever you purchase through that link, but all you have to do is enter in your name and email address, and Samsung will notify you when the pre-orders go live. That way you get the best possible deal when purchasing your new Samsung phone. Anyways guys, that about wraps it up for this video. Thanks for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.